Hey guys, welcome to the Question Mark channel. So, you might have read that Google recently completed its acquisition of the wearables company Fitbit. Looking at the history, we have seen Google do some fantastic things with the companies they acquire. 7 years ago, after the acquisition of Motorola, Google dropped the Moto X and the Moto G, pretty well received smartphones. But there is something very important that these phones accomplished. Along with the Nexus series, these phones prove the capacities of Android. How, you might ask? Well, in 2013, we had three operating systems: iOS, Android, and Windows OS. Android pretty much had the reputation of being the sluggish and bloated OS, thanks to user interfaces like HTC Sense and of course Samsung's TouchWiz. The Moto phones redefined what it meant to use Android and sort of laid the groundwork on which the Pixel phones would be built. So, you probably know where I am going with it. I think we are going to see something very similar, this time with Wear OS. Today, if you ask any tech enthusiast which smartwatch to buy, they would probably without a second thought recommend the Apple Watch. The problem with Wear OS today is exactly what the problem was with Android back in 2013. With acquisition of Fitbit and hypothetically producing a Google Watch should fix the impressions of Wear OS in the eyes of enthusiasts. I would say that the Fitbit acquisition is one of the most important acquisitions for Google by a long shot. Now, we could have ended the video here, but let's discuss Google's future in tech. I am predicting that we are going to see a Google ecosystem, and there are many indicators that it is going to be a groundbreaking ecosystem. The first and probably the biggest one of this is Project Latte. For those of you who don't know what Project Latte is, it's basically a partnership between Google and Microsoft to sort of tie Android and Windows together. Microsoft says that it will come in a major Windows 10 update in fall 2021. This is the first big step in the right direction, as when it becomes usable and supported, it would provide a similar experience as iOS and macOS do right now. The second piece of the puzzle is the Fitbit acquisition that we talked about. Google already has their Pixel Buds and the Google Nest home automation system. This would make for the most complete and largest open source ecosystem ever. The final piece of the puzzle though, in a very distant future, is Fuchsia. Google's Fuchsia OS, which is currently in development, is what some people have described the OS of the future. I will not go into the depths of Fuchsia OS in this video. You can let me know if you want an in-depth video about it in the comments below. Anyways, Fuchsia OS is being developed with the intention of running on multiple devices. This might be the piece that ties the future with the present. As far as we know, it can run Android apps and hence tie Android, Chrome OS and other operating systems together. So, in the future when AR and VR becomes the mainstream, Fuchsia can tie Android smartphones with these devices, thus completing the ecosystem. Anyways guys, these are my predictions of what the future of tech would look like under Google's leadership. What do you think? Tell me down in the comments. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and do consider subscribing for more videos. Thank you.